Velsden Cooling Ace is marketed as a portable air conditioner that supposedly cools rooms within minutes, lowers electricity costs, and delivers powerful cooling from a compact device. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, products in the Cooling Ace category are usually real physical devices. The bigger issue is whether they actually perform the way the marketing suggests. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between bedrooms, desks, and workspaces. Uses less electricity than a full AC unit. Compact cooling products naturally consume less power. Where the hype falls apart, it is likely not a true air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Similar Cooling Ace products often function more like fans or evaporative coolers rather than compressor-based air conditioners. Cooling is usually localized. You may feel cooler near the device without significantly changing room temperature. Room cooling claims look unrealistic. Tiny devices generally cannot perform like full-size AC systems. So, should you buy Velsden Cooling Ace? Short answer: only if you understand what you're buying. If you want nearby airflow and personal comfort, it may help. But if you're expecting real room air conditioning performance, expectations are probably too high. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.